Just wrap your broom in plastic wrap. Start sweeping all the cracks and hard-to-reach areas. Dust, dirt, and hair will stick to the wrap instead of the bristles. It works great at home, in the garage, and on a dirty balcony. When you're done, simply remove the wrap, and the broom stays clean and ready to use again. Apply shaving foam to a broom. While we usually associate it with shaving, this foam has another brilliant use. All you need is a regular broom, which most of us already have at home. Apply the foam to both sides of the broom head, making sure all the bristles are fully covered. This setup is a game changer for older people or anyone with back problems. Simply flip the broom and spread the foam over your tiles and shower walls. The foam works like a soapy cleaner with a higher potassium hydroxide content, so it's incredibly effective. But that's not all. Leave it on for 20 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom and secure it with a rubber band. You can now dry the surface quickly without streaks or water spots. The result? Sparkling clean tiles and bathroom surfaces with a fresh scent that lingers for days. This method makes cleaning easier, faster, and much more comfortable. This is the secret to a shiny floor that your neighbors will envy. Ever since I started using this mixture, my home has stayed flawlessly clean for many weeks. Start by preparing a large mop bucket and pouring in 1 gallon of lukewarm water. This will be the base. This secret formula was shared with me by the cleaning lady of the most famous hotel in the world. Now it's time for the first ingredient. Baking soda effectively removes dirt, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and works as a natural cleaning agent. Add exactly 7 ounces. The next ingredient is isopropyl alcohol. It instantly cuts through grease, evaporates without leaving streaks, and also has disinfecting properties. Pour in 2 cups. Now it's time for vinegar. Once added, your floor will be free from bacteria, beautifully polished, and free of stains. And finally, the most important ingredient, fabric softener. It not only gives your floor a wonderful fresh fragrance, but also makes it shine like a mirror. Now soak your mop thoroughly in the mixture, wring out the excess liquid, and start cleaning as usual. The effect? 0 streaks and a floor so shiny that you can literally see your reflection.